everyone, it's Jay here. I hope you're having an amazing day so far, and let's jump into another recap. So this is /NQ. This is a Nasdaq. This is how it looked today, and as you guys can see, this was right around market open at 6:30 in the morning. And today, just by looking at the chart, you guys can see it was a nice and bullish day for /NQ today, right? Bullish meaning it was just uptrending most of the day. Besides this little rejection it had here at around 7:10 in the morning, it fell a little, but it did still find a higher low and just kept going on the day. Nothing very clear, right? As you guys can see, it wasn't just clearly going up. There's a lot of red bars on the way up, and today /NQ basically like chopped its way up there. It was trading pretty choppy. Anytime it would make a new high, it would just fall after that, as you guys can see with all the red candles mixed in there. And basically it was just struggling a lot, but it was still holding, so it just kind of chopped its way all the way up here for highs of the day at like 13,310. So I just want to quickly show you guys how I did. Yes, today I was that guy that only traded TQs and managed to lose money. I was down $46.17 on the day, and as you guys can see, just looking at my filled orders, it's a big mess because I took a lot of trades, but I did end down today only $46, so I'm very happy with how I was able to manage my risk. But on a day like today, kind of there should be no excuses. I should have killed it on TQs. There's a lot of opportunity, but I want to go ahead and share with you guys why I was red and what I think I could have done better to make sure I end being profitable on the day. So basically, looking at the NQ on the bigger time frames, this is the 5-day 5-minute, and right around here was the market open. So leading into the market open, it had a nice, basically higher low it tried to find right from yesterday. Yesterday here, the lows it was trading at, it basically came below these lows, which is why I was looking out for a lower high. Anytime it curled up here, I saw potential for it to be able to fall. But leading into the market open today, it did confirm this higher low here. The lows that it had here were not as low as the ones yesterday. So that was a good sign. It wanted to kind of validate the bottom VWAP as a support and start uptrending and really go. And I would say once it crossed this previous common resistance level it had right around here at 13,110, that was a good indication that it could really start taking off on the day because it broke this area it previously fell at twice, and that's just a good sign that a lot of people also see that it is trading higher and there is more buying pressure now. So I just wanted to share with you guys those lines, but basically today any type of chart you looked at NQ, you could see that it was going to break some area of resistance it had and it could go. And I did see a move like this coming, but unfortunately I was red today because there was a lot of red bars like I told you. Anytime on the way up I try to average up to TQs, it wouldn't really want to go. It wouldn't want to clearly go, and because of that it would come back down a few cents and I would end up stopping out. And the reason I have my stops so quick, if it dropped only a few points, I would already be out, is because it's just been doing me very well recently. I've been trying to manage risk a lot better, and I find that when I fully average up, if it's not going, I just cut the shares immediately pretty much. So I'm not down anything crazy, and I'm not like risking anything big in case it did fall and maybe find a support, right? I don't even want to risk that. So anywhere I buy in from, if it's not going, if it's struggling, I immediately cut it. And today, this is where that strategy didn't play off very well, because anytime it did find higher highs here, like let's say I bought into TQs up here, I would, as it's climbing, average up, and then there would be a lot of struggle, and it would almost want to fall. So I'd cut the shares, and then it would only for it to just then keep rising, right? A lot of struggle today, which is why I viewed there to be just some form of risk, because it didn't really want to go like it has been the past couple weeks. Just it didn't want to blow up clearly, so it just ended up having these little dips, and it did hold all the way up, but it just was not enough for me to be comfortable averaging in and holding for a nice play up, right? It would have been very unfortunate if I say averaged it up here, and on this fall here it didn't bounce like it has been doing, and I was still holding, and it just came all the way back down. That'd be a nice size loss, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. So basically today it was just a little too choppy for my liking, and I did try and trade later on in the day, but unfortunately, as you can see, direction never really cleared up. It was pretty choppy this whole time, and yeah, days like today, I don't want to force anything, even if I just realize it's not my best day, I really shouldn't be trading. And anytime I found myself forcing trades, I just usually I'm right on them. I'd say like 80-85% of the time. So it's better not to trade if I don't feel comfortable. So that's just it, guys. Down $46. It's my first red day in like almost 2 weeks, so I'm very blessed for that. And yeah, just excited to come back tomorrow. Hopefully, direction's looking better. Thank you guys all so much for watching. It's been another day trading recap, and I hope you all really enjoyed the video and maybe learned something from it. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.